In the rapidly evolving world of technology, a question often arises. Is coding truly required for data engineering? The short answer is definitely yes. To understand why, we must first define discipline. Data engineering is the practice of designing and building systems to collect, store, analyze data at massive scale. It is the structural plumbing of the modern enterprise. Look at the comparison on your screen. On the left, we can see a manual data handling process that is slow, error prone, nearly impossible to scale at your business grows. On the right, we see that automated data pipeline driven by code. These pipelines are fast, reusable, built for growth. Coding provides the structural integrity necessary to manage what we call the three V's of data: volume, velocity, variety. While SQL remains the non-negotiable foundation for managing relational databases, a general purpose language like Python, Java, or Scala are essential for building the complex logics that transforms raw data into a strategic asset. To succeed as a data engineer, you must master a specific toolkit. We can categorize this into two primary buckets: SQL and general purpose language. SQL is your primary interface for querying and managing relational databases. However, when we move into a complex ETL logics, API integrations, and big data processing, we look to languages like Python, Scala, or Java. Python, in particular, has become the industry favorite due to the powerful libraries such as Pandas and PySpark. But why not just use no code or low code tools? Think of it this way: rigid ETL tools are like pre modeled plastic shapes. They are easy to use at first, but they offer limited options and often break when faced with unique edge cases. Custom code, by contrast, is like a toolbox of powerful Lego bricks. It's infinitely flexible and extensible. With code, you aren't restricted by the features a software vendor decides to. You have the freedom to build exactly what your specific infrastructure requires. And finally, the true value of coding is most evident in the ETL workflows, the process of extracting, transforming, and loading data. In the code driven environment, every step from pulling data from an API to cleaning it through transformation scripts and loading it into a data warehouse is architectural and data driven. This approach unlocks three critical advantages: reusability, version control, and extensibility. First, reusability. Code allows you to create a modular functions that can be used across multiple projects, saving hundreds of hours of manual labor. Second, version control. By using systems like Git, you can track every single change made to your pipeline over the time. If a process breaks, you can instantly see what changed when and by whom, allowing for immediate recovery. And finally, extensibility. Coding allows you to build unique features and custom integrations that simply don't exist in standard out of the box tools. So, in conclusions, while no code solutions have their place, the scale and reliability required by modern data systems make coding an absolute requirement for any serious data engineer.